So how to set up fishing trap in Hytale? So this is the fishing trap and you can get it from Farmer's Workbench at the tier 2, and here you will need any wood, essence of life, plant fiber and iron ingot, and also the Farmer's Workbench you can get it from normal workbench right here. So how to set it up? You need to go to the water and you cannot plant it into 1 block deep and also 2 blocks deep water. As you can see, if I want to plant it here, I cannot do it. So I'm gonna go to 3 blocks deep water and right click, and you can set it up here and just do it how many times you want. You can also use it like a little bridge, but you cannot use it in 2 blocks and 1 block deep water. So now all you have to do is to just wait. So I'm gonna help it with this command, time night and time midday, and now you can empty the fish trap, press F, and you will harvest the fishing trap. So I'm gonna do it on all. Here's some $10 shell, some salt block, some trash and some poop. This item you can also throw at someone. I like that you can just restock that fishing trap and you don't have to create new one, so you can catch another fishes. So if you find this video helpful, leave a silly comment in the comment section and see you next time.